welcome to our workshop on storytelling with data. In today's world, data is everywhere. But with so much information available, it can be challenging to make sense of it all. That's why the ability to tell compelling stories with data is more critical than ever. In this workshop, we'll show you how to turn raw data into a powerful narrative. You'll learn how to identify the essential insights from your data and how to communicate those insights in a way that resonates with your audience. You'll discover the power of visual storytelling and learn how to create visually compelling data visualizations that will capture your audience's attention. By the end of this workshop, you'll have the skills you need to create data-driven stories that inspire action and change. So if you're ready to take your data storytelling to the next level, join us for our Storytelling with Data workshop.